Space. We're all inspired by it. We escape to it. We find room to relax, think and create in it. Space can uplift us. We might seek memorable moments of calm and tranquility, or look for a space that excites. We all share space. We travel through it, explore it, and make lasting connections that expand our knowledge, helping us to see the world in a new light. We all seek out space for different reasons. But one thing will always bring us together: the feeling of discovering a new space in the most unexpected of places. A space that you can truly call your own. Welcome to Airspace by Airbus.